objective. So it's like by the time we get there, it's halfway done. It's halfway resupplied. Like, I'm surprised these guys developed such a smash hit of an idea. Ooh, near out of bounds. Whee! Alright, we're here. We're near a nest. Alright, calling in Quasar. Shield. Alright, we're good. Hopefully we got super credits behind us. Heads up, we got company.
Ow. Yep. I'm here.
He's calling in reinforcements. He got in reinforcements.
Oh my god, dude, I think I'm in love with this gun.
What'd you get?
Way more fucking ammo and it slaps.
Yucking a grenade. Oh, a little jerk actually got through my shield.
You turn around and see me
Heads up, spitter, spitter, spitter.
Oh, great.
Oh, wait, there's a nest here we should probably deal with. I think. Check out 3. Wow, that is a lot. I swear the range drop off on this. Ugh. Wow. I resupplied and I'm almost empty in that first engagement.
Alright, resupply's here.
Oh my god, we need to push. We're spending too much time fighting.
Did you grab the other two?
I grabbed one.
Yeah, grab the other one and let's move.
Alright.
Oh, no wonder we dropped right on the fucking objective. I thought I got fucking farther away than that.
Nah, you did good. Now what?
Now we raise the flag in the name of freedom.
I thought. Oh, nice. Use stratagem. Plant Earth super flag. I don't think these bugs quite understand freedom.
Rare sample acquired.
Ow. Bro, here I am thinking you had my fucking 6 covered. Love it.
Sorry.
Have a taste of democracy.
Is that the anthem of Super Earth?
Yeah.
That is badass. I wondered when they were gonna add this game mode.
Bitter on your right.
Bag's empty. Bag's empty.
It's still kicking. That spitter is still kicking.
No mag. Reloading.
Yeah, unfortunately I'm gonna have to go back to the Liberator, dude. This thing, the armor penetration's absolutely trash. What the hell's going on with that guy? Look up, look up, look up. There's a bug flying.
Hey, he's going into space. How do we raise the flag?
We just stand here, dude. I think they're confused by the music, dude.
I think they're drawn in by the music.
Freedom!
Do we salute?
Oh. There you go.
Let me save you, friend. Oh. Do the emote. Come on. Hug him.
Tagging map, northeast.
Aww. Alright. Well, we raised the flag.
Yeah, there's nobody here to fucking salute it, though.
Yeah, we're so many commies. Commies! Commies everywhere!
I
Nice.
do like how this thing slaps though on normal enemies.
There's a big nest off to our left. And
Yeah,
our
that's
right,
the
it
one
looks
we're
like.
heading for.
At least I got a thing
You
on
hear that,
wrist.
they're gonna be bringing silence weapons and stuff like that here soon.
That would be interesting, because it's like you see people doing stealth runs all the time. Heads up. Nice.
Big guy, big guy.
I see him.
Bug tunnel breach.
Oh, how the heck
Get
do I...
out of there, lad.
Oh, God. Oh. Nice.
You like them apples? Oh, spinner on my ass.
Oh, my God. I freaking...
Help.
I'm on my way. Got him.
How'd you like the taste
When you are quite through playing with the wildlife, what did the army teach us? Don't mess with the wildlife.
The good thing is, I got all the fucking shit. I got a spinner on my ass. though.
Alright, I am running low on ammunition. Oh, wait, you know, ammo. Watch your left.
Ow.
There's a big guy coming your way.
No way, he's still alive.
Say hello to democracy.
The thing ate through my shield.
My life for Super Earth.
Yeah, there's a new vehicle that'll be coming out here soon.
I am really excited for vehicles. Like, don't get me wrong, running across the map is... Really? Of all the things to say, that's the thing. I can't...
You're disappointed.
I am a little, but at the same time, it's perfect.
Dropping a pin. South. 100 meters.
Like, that weapon is the equivalent of, fuck everything over there.
Well, the best part is it kills whatever it hits, and then it kills everything around it.
It's perfect. It's so beautiful.
It brings a teardrop of freedom to my eye each time I use it. All right, get ready.
Hell,
I'm
you
gonna
know.
drop, I'm gonna drop some air.
All right. Did you know that Helldiver tears could cure cancer? It's too bad they never cry. Excellent. I love that. It's like you're hitting Alt F4 on their lives.
Charge!
Can't see anything through the smoke. Heads up.
Right? Ow! Ow!
Sorry, he jumped right through me. Reloading.
As long as we don't let him call for help, we'll be fine.
I don't... Is it? Oh, crap. There's an ion storm in progress.
Throwing grenade.
Alright, nade out. Oh, what the?
Oh,
Fire in the hole.
did you get lagged? 'Cause I got a hell laser.
Yeah, no. I went to throw it. I went to throw the grenade in there, and it's like it didn't go in.
Tagging
comment.
map. South. 300 meters.
Alright.
Railgun is up in 3 seconds.
Nice.
Hey, look, there's the super flag.
There's something off to our... I thought I saw something off to our left. I'm gonna break left for a second. There's something over here.
Found something.
Fucking loot goblins.
I can't help it. I see shiny and I must have. Not to mention there's some resupply here, so we don't gotta waste our resupply.
Never mind. Heavy. Southeast. 50 meters.
Why is that not working? Hey, this thing isn't opening up. What's going on? God darn it. Alright, I'm coming to you. This, it's like it's locked. Nice. Death, corner pocket.
Got 3 rockets left.
I can't get that thing to open back there. You want to give it a try? Heads up.
It does. I don't.
Got a big guy.
The mission. I'm not here for money.
I am.
Are you engaging?
Yeah. What the heck?
Requesting air support.
You should have threw that before he moved.
Hi. There's a big guy coming after me. And a spitter.
Run to me.
Ish. Moving your way.
Get some! Get some!
No, like run straight to me. Don't run around. Like straight.
I
at me.
have to, dude. There's terrain in the way. At least I won't get murked by the turret. This is a nice little setup you got here.
Alright.
Alright, going in to clear the objective.
Found something.
Or not. There's... What the heck is this? Oh, so this one opened. I got a medal. Damn it. At least we got ammo. Calling me a Blue Falcon right now?
Pop goes the weasel.
Reloading.
Oh, hello, Mr. Warrior, sir. My man came around the corner with an intent to kill.
Ah, there's me with the cock block.
Oh, bugs on my ass. Pushing up. I'm out of rockets.
Alright, we'll call on a resupply as soon as we're done clearing out this objective. We got any big targets?
How about a nice cup of tea?
I really love how I'm point blank with these guys and I can't seem to hit them. Nade out.
Fire in the hole.
Reloading. Now we're really subdued today.
Got a sample.
Nice.
Oh, shit.
Watch your right.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Now what? Now watch as we make the bug nest disappear. Ta-da! It's gone.
Now watch me fucking make that one teammate that doesn't want to listen disappear. Here's a gunshot. Ta-da! He's gone.
Ta-da! Heads up. I think I see a... Oh, wait. Alright, we're heading that way.
Charge!
Tally-ho, lads!
Jenkins!
I still find that hard to believe. Like, do you think that was staged?
Oh, that most definitely was.
Who cares? I got chicken.
They were probably staged to make it an actual video, but he was fully committed to ruin it for everyone. Oh, you can't wait till we were coordinated?
I figured you had it. You got the...
Reloading!
You got Alt F4 right there. Ah!
Ta-da!
Hey, dude. You are... Oh, boy. I wish... Oh, wait. I'm gonna see if I can take him out, but you are kind of done until I can get the Quasar. Did I get him? Nope.
No, don't touch it!
I missed.
Shoot him in the face! Shoot him in the face! Help! Shoot him!
Ah! Why did you melee me?
Oh, fuck.
Hit him!
Fucking hit him! Shoves him to the ground like that.
Oh my god.
Injury? What injury?
Oh my.
Thanks, empty.
Wow, you weren't kidding about my aim being crap.
Oh, are you still dealing with bugs?
Yeah, I'm being chased by the stragglers. Trying to get my
Fall back to
stuff
me.
back. Oh my god, where's my...
Alright, cover me real quick.
Okay, I think... Okay, I got everything. Alright, I'm gonna wait. Where are you going? Alright, I'm gonna call in resupply.
Throwing supply beacon.
And sending my eagle to rearm. Alright, calling in resupply.
I'm staying crouched so I don't get sniped.
Tagging map. Northeast. 100 meters.
Gotta admit, I love the turrets. Alright. Going for the flag.
Yep.
It's so wavy. Blech. If you know that reference. God darn, red versus blue felt like forever ago. Move closer to the objective.
Objective critical stratagem available.
Heads up.
I can't see shit. Oh, fuck.
No longer available.
Wow.
Freedom forever! Don't tunnel breach.
Holy crap.
Freedom!
Oh god. Ugh. Oh my god, are you serious?
Toss me! Toss me!
I can't. You're down. I swear to God, hit him!
Don't touch my samples.
I'm not touching your samples. There's an ion.
I saw you look at them. Oh my god, dude, the aim, the aim.
It's not the aim. I'm clearly aiming at him with a freaking shotty. It should go down.
You're slinging slugs, homie, not buckshot.
Oh my god, hit him. I swear to God, if I stem and I don't stem one more time, run, you idiots.
Oh, the hunters block your stamina animation, by the way.
Yes, I know.
Alright, shields up, reinforcement, you should have time.
Oh my god, I'm trying to get near the objective.
Just, I have this, never mind.
Reinforcing.
Oh, sh
Yeah, die that way. Oh, shit! Cover!
Your stuff is behind us, by the way. So why does the game make it look like I'm throwing buckshot downrange?
That's literally been. I can't see through the fucking mist.
Go get your stuff. I got this objective.
Alright, left.
Oh my god, they have a sound drone here. Alright, calling in resupply.
Throwing supply beacon.
You don't even see the flag get raised. That's kind of crappy.
Reloading.
I will admit, I really wish that they would unnerf the rail cannon.
Oh shit!
Oh wow, there it is. Mayor extraction.
Once it gets high enough, it welds itself into the ground.
Yeah. Alright. Nice. Nice. We making a
There's
beeline?
gonna be a spore, so oh, I see you, motherfucker. What? Covering fire.
Heads up, watch your six.
Oh shit! Big guys. I got the air support off.
Oh my god. What is going on here?
Tunnel breach. Calling in reinforcements.
Really wish I could... Alright. We must defend democracy!
How about a nice
Freedom!
Excellent takedown.
Face me, demon! Look! I wiped my own ass!
Damn.
Hold up, don't give him another inch! If you die, we die for democracy!
Keep firing! Keep firing! And of course they had to get me with my shield down. I really wish my shield would cycle. Alright, we need to go deal with that objective. Alright, I'm moving. Yeah, all it takes is one grenade, right?
No, I thought you were still with me, but you went the wrong direction.
I'm trying to take out that spore tower, man.
I know, but if we abandon each other in combat, that means one of us dies and then you're by yourself again. Or vice versa.
Requesting sentry.
Yeah, I can't take that spore tower down for some reason. That's gonna be all you, man.
Yeah, well, I can't do nothing. I'm literally out of ammo and I'm running for my life. Alright, can you cover me?
Yep.
Alright, good. That'll help you cover as well. Where the fuck did he come from? Another one.
Ah, dang it!
Shit.
Whenever you get a second, stop.
That's how fast I am with the reinforcements.
I don't understand how you're faster than I am, but then again, it's like I just suck.
Reporting to front.
Because I tried to take out the spore tower, and grenades do nothing. There's gotta be a way to take this thing down. Oi, I am literally point blank with you.
Watch yourself.
Where are the
I don't have a
enemies?
choice.
Oh, thank God.
I cleared up a little bit of them.
If I'm using a how is this
How
thing?
does that fucking... I literally shot that... Yeah, keep using that thing. Face the stalk. There you go.
Finally.
Base of the stalk. Always at the base.
Oh, found my samples. Oh God. All right, we need to get out of here.
Tagging map. Northeast. 300 meters.
We missed an objective. I will admit the
Probably.
shield was a nice idea. Heads up, jumpy bastards.
Reloading.
What'd you do? He's done. Ish.
Sweet liberty.
Yeesh.
Alright, we gotta hurry up and push, dude. They're getting out of hand here.
They called for help.
On tunnel breach.
What do we got here?
Planning to stick around.
We can move our extraction.
Yeah. Of course I am.
I still wish the shield would cycle instead. That way I didn't have to wait for the shield to go down. Heads up. We need to get going.
Oh my fucking god, dude. Walked right into another swarm of them. I don't have any stems, I don't have nothing, dude.
Beat feet to extraction.
200 meters.
Ish. Shield down. Are we almost there? Here we are. Alright, go. Got you covered. Ish. Heads up. Got a bit. I don't understand why that isn't an instant takedown. Alright, almost there.
Calling down supplies. Sending in an eagle.
Alright, calling in a
Alright,
turret.
air support's coming up. Move your ass. Come on.
How'd you like the taste of freedom?
Ish. Got called in supplies, excellent.
Calling in extraction.
And of course they got the turret. Shirk.
Extraction shuttle inbound.
2 minutes.
Nice. All we gotta do is just hold out here.
Calling down a support weapon.
Alright,
Tagging map. South. 100 meters.
alright, I'm gonna see if I can get these, down here.
What's up?
Just in case. Here, take these, just in case.
Dropping item.
ETA T-minus 1 minute.
And you're leaving this to me.
You should be fine.
You left me common samples. Oh, wow, you had all the samples.
I'm already engaging fucking bugs that are cutting off patrols that would have been walking right into you anyway.
Sealed off an entryway.
ETA T-minus
Napalm is wonderful. You okay over there?
Yeah, I'm good, man.
Not seeing any movements, but I've had a feeling I'm gonna get snuck up on.
Requesting air.
Speak of the devil. Got a warrior. Reloading.
ETA T-minus 30 seconds.
Ryan's almost here.
Yep.
Do you want me to hold position until you clear out that nest?
Hold position.
Oh. Nice.
ETA T-minus 10 seconds.
Martin, I'm coming to you.
Pelican 1 arriving at coordinates.
Yes.
Ride's here.
I'm coming.
You should have air support, and we have friggin' oh my god.
Fucking ion storm.
Of course.
Coming up the hill.
Alright, Ride's here, waiting for you. Waiting for any Illuminate to try and get on the ship.
Go ahead, go.
Pelican 1 preparing to depart.
Alright, I'm on.
Shuttle launch in 20 seconds. Extraction complete. Pelican 1 beginning ascent.
I wonder how soon until the Illuminate drop.
I have no idea, homie. I'm gonna need a little bit of time. I gotta put the birds up.